Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor. Today I'm here inside Kalea Bay, one of their Horton's new community, and today is their grand opening and we are going to tour this 1795 plan. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And this is the home right here. It's a 2-story home. I'm gonna show you guys how the house looks like. So welcome to 1795. Right outside the door you will see the video doorbell, the smart big lock bolt. As soon as you get in, you're looking at your stairs leading to the second floor. Right here is your powder room. And now let's go check your open layout area. This is your living room right here. Very nice, very spacious. Dining area right there, and this is your kitchen. I love the massive island in the middle. Let's open this door. I think this is the pantry. Nice, spacious. I love the white cabinets. Again, everything that you see in this house is included. All the stainless steel appliances, refrigerator. Right here is the 2-car garage. And on this side, this is a storage area. The smart panel is inside. So right here, the stainless steel appliances, like what I said, is included. Oven, microwave. Let's see if it's a soft close. Oh no, it's not. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the backyard. It's a pretty spacious backyard, perfect for relaxing at the end of the day. Very neat. Okay, let's go upstairs and check the rest of the bedroom. Again, there's 4 bedrooms in this house. The HOA here is $65. This side right here is your laundry area, washer and dryer is included, and also the shelvings. Now let's go check the first bedroom over here. Nice spacious room with the standard closet. On this side is another room. They use it as an office, but you can always convert it to a bedroom. They put the standard closet on the side too. And right here, this is your shared bathroom. One single vanity, tub and shower combo. Let's see what's on this side. Another linen closet. And this is another bedroom. standard closet over here. Again, from this side, you will see the view of your community. Okay, let's go check your primary bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. Very spacious. Love that baby blue wall. And this is your primary bath. It has dual vanity, his and her vanity. Love it. And this is the stand-up shower right here. And on this side, this is your walk-in closet. It's a good space. Again, this is the $17.95 plan starting. The price for this is $407,990. Again, everything that you see here is included. If you have any question, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you are interested in owning one of this home, please don't hesitate to call me. Again, the HOA on this community is $65. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and thank you for watching my video.